How do you stay clean without water? Um, okay, it's very simple, and perhaps some of you will be like, "Why are you making this video, Billy? It's just stupid." Well, I guarantee you, this is gonna help somebody, and I will follow up with a community post, uh, so you can get what I'm about to show you. So, um, why I'm making this video is because soon we're gonna be gone for several days, and we're not gonna have facilities available to us. So meaning no shower, and we got to stay clean. So 24 hours is fine without a bath, without a shower. 48 hours is fine. Past 72 hours, 3 days, we're gonna start getting musky. And when you are in the woods and whatnot, you're sweaty and whatnot, you do not want to go past 72 hours. Essentially, it's gonna make it's gonna make those around you very uncomfortable, and yourself as well. So the way that I do it is I put everything together, and I made it for a kid to follow, and hence the reason why I created this, and I'm gonna share it in the community post so you guys can download it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. I created that, so and I use it especially to teach. And when I say teach, it's to my son. This is the way that I put it for him. How to stay clean without water. This is the system. I even have tear here, meaning that he can just rip, and he's naming here. If you older, you may find it kind of like, why? But if you want to teach people, dumb down what you're trying to teach as much as possible. Teach them the basics, and that's what I want to do here. Not everybody is at your level, so bring it to a child's level, and everybody can learn from there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have 2 Ziploc bags, and you're going to put bag 1 and bag 2. And this is, again, you can just get a marker and mark it. Last is mark. I did this once like this for the video so it can be more clear. So 2 Ziploc bags. That's the first thing you're going to have. And bag number 1, you're going to put 1 is fine, 2 is better. So 2 packs of 2 wet ones. This is for the armpits. You want to have antibacterial for your armpits and whatnot, because that's the area that is going to get stinky. So in my instructions, I put 1 pack for each armpit, but I'm putting there, I wish 2, so they can, just clean themselves. Clean yourself, or whoever it is, just put 2 in there. They're not that expensive. In the same bag, you're going to have a pack of 18 wipes, flushable wipes. These are my preferred ones. It has fresh scent. You want to clean yourself all over. Body, face, arm, necks, arms, groin, leg, feet last. Even, as you start from the top down. Even, just want to wipe your hair. For me, my beard, my face, all of that. So 18 wipes is more than enough. So that goes in bag number 1. And we're going to do this right now. We're just going to put it in bag number 1. All right, I'm going to open it, put it in here, and put it to the side. Fold it. We're not going to close it. We're just going to fold it, and just like this. Again, it's number. Let's leave the number right here. Bag number 1, so they can be easily identified. We're going to put it to the side for the time being. Bag number 2. Now this depends on you. I don't know the way you dress. I don't know. So in here, for for me, for us, socks, undies, and undershirt. That's always. My son is the same. So that goes in bag number 2. So we're going to put that in there. And we're going to, again, open the bag. Try to use new bags. Don't skip on this one. I'm going to put new bags in here. Everything in the bag is in, just like so. Make sure that it's down. Everything is down. Fold over. Leave it open. Don't close it. Bag number 2. All right. So now you have bag number 1 with the wipes and the wet ones, the antibacterial ones for your armpits and the rest for your body, and you have your clothes. Get a bag for vacuum seal bag, and put everything in there. You guys probably like, why so much? Well, you want to have space as well, and if you don't get to use it right now, this for Shtf is awesome, don't you think? For bugging out, you already have your waterless cleaning. I mean, everything is here. So you put in the bag number 2 first. Bag number 2 first. And then on the other side, you can either go front or back. I usually put it in the back. And you guys will see the reason why. And bag number 2 in the back. Right, you're gonna have to squeeze it in a little bit. It's fine. Nothing is gonna break or anything like that. Nice and tight. So after you did all of that, you're gonna get this. These are the instructions. Again, I made this for kids so they can follow. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. You start with number 1, clean your armpits. Number 2, clean the rest of your body with the wipes. Number 3, put the dirty wipes and everything dirty in bag number 1. Now you know why they have numbers. You open bag number 2, you get the new clothes out, and you put it in, and the dirty clothes goes into bag number 2. Everything separate. Why? Because we're gonna be throwing away this bag number 1, but we're gonna save bag number 2 because we're gonna be washing those underwears and that white the white shirts and the socks and whatnot. But everything is in here. You see what I'm saying? So hopefully this helps somebody. And what you do after that is you go here to the front, you slide it in. You don't have to get all fancy. I'm gonna print a whole bunch and have it in here. And again, this is for teaching. It doesn't matter how old you are, or if you're a child or not. You know, just now you have everything in here with the instructions. Boom. And then you vacuum seal everything, just like this one right here. My advice to y'all, notch it right here and put tear here. That way it's like one of those bags, and put the name of the person. That way when they, like for example for us, all we're gonna have for privacy is an outhouse. I can go in there in the outhouse, just rip the thing open, get everything out, look at the instructions, follow the instructions, and bam, keep themselves clean. Shtf, same thing. You want to have something for your family members. Stay clean without water. Something like this. This is dad. This is mom. This is baby 1, baby 2, baby 3. Everybody is ready. But everything is self-contained. Does that make sense? So it works not just for my purpose, but no water, SHTF, bugging out. This right here is a perfect system to stay clean without water. That being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like always, God bless you all. Look at the community post for the free poster. Print it out, have it in your bag, do whatever you want with it. It is free. That being said, once again, God bless you all. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.